In this video, we're going to consider mathematics application and interpretation standard level past May exam paper 1 for this case. And let's start with the question 1. So the questions will be given one by one. The first question is about the statistics. So it's written that the hot air balloon are available in many sizes for different number of passengers. The following table shows the recommended minimum value of hot air balloon in cubic meters for a specific number of passengers. Okay, so now let's consider how many marks given. So it is 6 marks. So it should take approximately 6 minutes, 2 minutes for each part A, B, C. And let's start with this solution of the question. Use your graphic display calculator to find the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. How to find the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient? Using the calculator, we can just simply type in the first column in the list 1 the number of passengers. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 15. And the second column will be the second row, yeah, corresponding values 1000. And you will press linear regression, and it will be given straightforward the equation. So for this case, answer for part A is equal to, our correlation coefficient is equal to 0.99886. So we should run for three significant figures as usual, and it is 999. Okay, done. It is 2 marks. Okay, B, find the equation of the regression line y on x for this data in the form y is equal to ax plus b. So again, in calculator it will be given the equation straightforward, so it's pretty clear what to do. Just to copy what's given in calculator. 340 for 3 significant figures plus 742. And yeah, so actually it's also possible to answer this way, more precise way, 379, but my suggestion is to use 3 significant figures. It's enough. Okay, so it's again 2 marks. No, it's 1 mark, and the second part, yeah, so it's 1 mark, and the second part is about stating what the value of A means in the context of the question. Okay, so we have to interpret what meaning of A. And we know the equation of the straight line, y is equal to mx plus c, and m stands for slope or gradient. And for this case, it means that if the recommended volume increased by the 340 meters cubed for each additional passenger. Okay, so that's how we should write the answer. Let me write answer somewhere here. So somewhere here. So B2. So the volume increases because it's positive, yeah. Slope is positive, increases by 340 meters cubed for each additional passenger. So that's how our answer should look like. Yeah, and approximately it takes really about 1 minute. Okay, so now you got full marks for part B. Let's circle it. Okay, and the last one, use the regression equation from the part B1 to find the recommended minimum value of balloon of 10 passengers. 10 passengers means that we have to use our equation obtained in the part B1, so this one, and plug instead of x, we will put 10. So let's put 10. Y is equal to 340 times 10 plus 742. Can use calculator to obtain the value of 3,400 plus 742, and it is 1,441 4142. Yes. In this case, guys, be careful. In this case, you will lose 1 mark if you write this way, because you have plugged the number of x into rounded value of m and c. So all values here, all parameters should be precise, more precise. So let's compare. So now let's use another form that I shown before in the beginning of the part B1. So 340.379 multiplied by 10 plus 742.01. Okay, in this case you will get 414581. For 3 significant figures, it's going to be 4150 meters cubed. So now you got full 2 marks. So again, let's overview this question. This question is about linear regression, and basically most of the calculations obtained by calculator. So if you know how to use a calculator, you will be good with this kind of questions. See you in the next video. It was a question 1. Let's turn to the question 2 in the next video.